And it was during COVID too, out of all places, right?
Yeah, that was pretty funny. But yeah, I always think that we had like a halftime in between there, and then of course in the last couple of weeks.
Cool. So why don't you walk us a little bit through your origin story? Just kind of tell us like what was the drive behind starting your channel and like what was your thought process there? What got you excited about it? And yeah, and like your career, things that you've done, how you got to wanting to do this agile-ish channel.
Cool. Yeah, and you know what? I like how you phrase it to origin story. Kind of sounds like a superhero background.
I know,
Is that
yeah.
your
Well, I mean,
intention?
yeah, a little bit, right? Because like people like to hear like what was your motivation? What were your drives? Like what was like the things that kind of brought you to this part of your life? Because it's a very different life than the one I knew that you had back then.
Yeah. So I won't tell people the real origin story, right? I got bitten by a radioactive
Like
spider, and then